What's up guys, it's Pete back here, and today we're gonna be playing Astral Line, back at it again. So before we continue the video, make sure you click the subscribe button to make notified when I put the videos. So without further ado, let's go into today's video. Today's video is gonna be on the Grand Prix. It's special event. So yesterday I was a bit busy, so we could not do it. So I'm gonna do 2 rounds together today, stage 5 and stage 6. Okay. So as you can see, I've not done stage 5 yet, and we need 100 conditions for the next stage. So let's go. So 41 to 47, 5 knockdowns. Should be easy. Should be easy. Okay, so this round is in Shanghai. Previously you have seen, so far only New York and Cairo have been featured. This is the first time Shanghai has been featured. Okay. In this special event, that is. But I honestly believe it's gonna take a miracle for us to unlock the car really, because the key is at 500 conditions and we need the BXR for that. BXR and Ford GT and Stingray. So those are pay to wins. Stingray is a pay to win. So, and I didn't get the Ford GT Mark II, so we're in a bit of a issue there. Anyways, let's go. Drift. Okay, so we have police in this event. It seems some actual security cops are here. Whoa. Whoa! That part got a bit crazy. Hey, why you stop drifting? Why you stop drifting? Don't stop drifting. VLF is one of my favorite cars in multiplayer. If you didn't know, it's very good. Personally, I love it. Of the Class A, I'm talking about Class A cars. I recently unlocked the Corvette. Which one? The orange Corvette. I don't remember the name. I'm focused. So that's again at 1 star. So I can't really play with it in multiplayer now, can I? So let's drift. Okay, so this is a bit of a long track, expected since the time was 1:41. Okay, whoa. Okay, so I'm getting some weird pushes. Cop, get out of here. Whoa! Whoa. This was bad. 25, 136, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142. 142. How's that? Is it enough? Didn't get 5 knockdowns? Okay. 45, 43. But we need to beat 1 minute 41 seconds. So that's a bit of an issue. Actually, not an issue. If we try hard, we can do it. So anyways, also I didn't get knockdowns. Also didn't get enough knockdowns. The bad thing, I would say, it requires so many tokens, you know. So many tokens to do it. So that's the only bad thing. We got some conditions there. So here we go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. And let's knock him down. Whoa. And that VLF has gone. Whoa. Watch it. Okay, last time we had stopped drifting here, so gotta be careful. I had to fully turn the phone. Yeah, literally I had to fully turn the phone to make that turn. Oh man, crash cars, get out of here. Crash cars, get out of there. Okay, so far going better than the last time. I hope. Whoa, don't! Okay, somehow I'm alive. I thought that would be a definite wreck, but no, I'm alive, which is actually very good news. There should be a barrel roll jump here. I don't know why they didn't put it. Whoa. Okay, yellow nitro. Hey! Cop! Okay, that cop. Wow, cop. Seriously, if that cop hadn't interrupted me, we could have beaten it. At least we got 5 knockdowns. If that cop hadn't interrupted me, we could have done it easily. But now, I mean, these cops are so irritating, man. Okay, by the way, how many conditions did we do? Let me check for once. How many conditions? Are we close to 100? 87. Good, but not good enough. We need 100 conditions to unlock the next round. We haven't unlocked it yet, so that's an issue. Don't worry, I will do it and we'll play it today itself. Yeah. I may take extra time to play, but we'll unlock it. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's good. Make that turn, drifting. Okay, get out, Vilef. Okay. This time it was easier to make the turn. Okay. Whoa. I asked for 360 degrees, man. What is happening? A random barrel roll. Let's go. Okay. Not this time. You're not slowing me down this time. Six, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, that does it. That did it. Okay, we didn't get the knockdowns, but we got the blueprint. That's more important. The blueprint is more important than the knockdowns. Let's go. Okay, it's the last shot on this round. There's the last shot on this round. And after that, looks like I'm gonna be taking some time to complete the conditions. Yeah. Honestly guys, I'm a bit tired. Okay, so work has begun, so I excuse my voice if it comes out a bit low for today. Okay. And by the way, recently I'm gonna show it on my channel too. Recently I just started playing the game It's a Dragon Ball Z game, so it's called DB Legends or Dragon Ball Legends, whatever you prefer. So, I mean, you see, I had played once Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle before. So the only downside of Dokkan Battle is that it takes up a lot of charge. Okay, so I've personally seen it. So if you play Dokkan Battle, I mean, storage is not a problem, but it charge drops heavily, and like we all know, we can't live without charging our phones. I think every gamer, not just gamer, every person will agree with me. So for that matter, Dragon Ball Legends doesn't consume any charge. I mean, it just consumes charge at the natural rate, at the normal rate. So it's pretty cool, and I'm gonna feature it in a few days on the channel since we have nothing but the special event on the asphalt. And frankly, some guys are enjoying this special event, but some people are not very much enjoying it. That also I'm getting. So guys, I think you like the new Dragon Balls. So like I said, the channel's name may be Speeds Racing, but I'm gonna do every type of games. I previously said it also. Okay, couldn't beat 41 seconds here. But at least we beat it once, so I think you guys will have a pretty good idea as to how to do it now. So that's it for now. Let me take some. I wouldn't say break. Let me just get 100 conditions, and we'll be ready for the next round. Okay, let's go.
6 hours later.
Okay, guys. So we're back after, and I completed 100 conditions, and doing that we got 3 blueprints. So I think it's time for today's round. So yesterday's round was complete, now it's today's round. So win the race, perfect nitros, no break. Should be easy. And we're going 3 rounds on this. Let's go. So it took some tokens, but definitely. Okay, so it's back in New York. So this time it's Shanghai and New York. The last time it was Cairo and New York, now it's Shanghai and New York. Okay. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Okay, so this features slipstreams too, and just like the previous one, I think there'll be cops here. And bingo, I predicted that. Okay, so this time it's Pininfarina, the Batista. Last one we faced Zenvo, now we're facing this Pininfarina. And he's going pretty fast, so gotta catch up to him. Okay, whoa. Okay, and I've knocked him down, so that should give us some breathing room. Okay, so drift, whoa, watch it, drift. Drift and nitros. Okay, so drift. Whoa, these cops are doing anything. I would have crashed there. Okay, so that's. I don't think we got the perfect nitros, but we got the other goals. Okay, yeah. We got every other goals, but not the perfect nitros. I had expected that. Anyways, we still have 2 chances, so we'll get them. Yeah. So what do we get? Did we get? No. Drop rate of these packs is awful. I said this before, I'm saying it 100 times. Drop rate on these packs are awful. Okay, next round. Tired of falling behind? Yeah, we know what a slipstream is. Come on. So as I was saying, I've been playing this action game, DB Legends, and personally I've become a very big fan of them. So I'll feature the game in a few days. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, let's take a short Okay, so I think we got 6 perfect naturals. Maybe one more. Yeah. Cop, get out. Get on my face, cop. Whoa. Okay. Be careful of the speed here. Whoa. That cop would have literally posed a roadblock there. Okay. I think it's time you got knocked out. Whoa. Okay, I slowed down there. Bad. Okay, slipstream. Don't mind the slipstream. Okay, shockwaves. That's another perfect nitro there. And shockwaves. Okay, sharp turn. I have to turn my phone. Whoa. A little less violent, cops. A little less violent. You know the civilians on the streets, right? You don't want to end up as NFS rivals, right? Where people cops even injured people on the streets. You don't want that, right? Yeah. Let's keep it cool. Let's keep it a bit cool. Okay. So last round now. Okay. Another blueprint. Okay. We got some blueprints today. I think we got 4 or 5 blueprints today. That's good. Some from the rewards because of completing 100 conditions. But it's gonna be nearly almost impossible to unlock this car, honestly speaking. This is such a good car. I mean, it's just a shame that we can't unlock it. At least I think for now. For now, I would say. Okay. Okay. This is gonna be last round. And 31. And let's go. Let's just increase the acceleration in the beginning. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I knocked him down. Okay, shockwave. Okay, another shockwave. Balance it. Drift. Get out. Okay. So drift. Okay, drift. Okay. Okay, 2 perfect nitros. I hope we got the perfect nitros there. Okay, yeah, we got the perfect nitros and we got to win the race. That's nice. So that's it. That's 2 rounds. That's gonna be 2 rounds for now. And we couldn't do it yesterday, so we couldn't do the round yesterday, so we're doing 2 rounds today. And I hope you guys find this video useful. I mean, as I said, you guys have been supporting me a lot, so keep doing that, guys. So, and as always, be sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. And I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow we're gonna be playing Dragon Ball Legends. It's one of my favorites for now. So yeah. Until then, stay safe. And as always, and I can't even talk. Until then, stay safe. And as always, keep speeding. Okay, got that right. Yeah. So as always, keep speeding. Okay, guys. See ya.